Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale RWB 930 Painkiller version 2 from Tarmac Works. So this is the car out of its plastic cover and a quick overview of its paper sleeve. So that's the collector's card, and this is car number 817. This is the car, which looks really nice in this red color. Now let's zoom in to all of its details. At the front, there's the Porsche logo, which is a decal and a Thailand license plate. There are canards on the front bumper as well. The side profile looks really nice. There's a Painkiller logo on the side skirt and the tires have Idler's branding on it. There are a few logos on the side of the rear wing as well. There's an RWB logo at the back and the same Thailand license plate. There's a wing-like structure on the rear fender. I'm not sure what they're called, but it looks really nice. The wipers are separate and are not molded in with the windshield. There's a Run Drive logo on the rear wing and a Raw Wet logo on the rear windshield. There's also a Speed Hunters logo on the rear side glass. Now moving on to the interior, which is really well detailed. There is a black seat belt with a 4-point harness. There is a Rowell banner on the front windscreen, and you can see the seat belts more clearly from here. And that's how the interior looks like from the passenger side. You can see on the top of the headrest that the seats are Recaro branded. I've unscrewed the car here, and that's the base. The car looks really nice out of the base. And that's the chassis, which is really well detailed. Both the front and rear wheels do not roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.